10 years, one mission, the journey built on precision, passion, and performance. This is SHDIATOOL. Ideas start here, where creativity meets teamwork. Every meeting brings us closer to the perfect solution. Together with our clients, we turn vision into reality. Today, SHDIATOOL is more than a factory. We are a full solution supplier in diamond tools. With in-house manufacturing and a global trading team, we ensure full control from design to delivery. From R&D and testing, to customer service and after-sales, every blade, every bit carries our promise of performance. Better quality, better life, it's not just our slogan, it's our mindset. As we celebrate 10 years, we are not slowing down. We will keep investing in automation, in new product development, and in service upgrades. From cutting, drilling, grinding, polishing, we remain dedicated to one-field professional diamond tools. Not just made in China, but trusted worldwide. Trusted by thousands of customers worldwide. Real reviews, real satisfaction, quality that speaks for itself. Our tools in action, shared by real users. From job sites to DIY projects, they deliver feedback that inspires us to do even better. A full range of tools for every challenge. Innovation across drills, blades, and more. One brand, endless possibilities.